Hello, my name is Catherine Monson. I am the CEO of FASTSIGNS International, the world's largest signage and visual graphics franchise, and chairwoman of the International Franchise Association. October 1 is Sign Manufacturing Day. In partnership with the National Association of Manufacturers, Manufacturing Day, the International Sign Association promotes Sign Manufacturing Day the first Friday of every October. On this day, companies in the visual communications industry encourage the next generation to explore exciting and diverse career opportunities within the signage and visual graphics industry. So, in honor of Signs Manufacturing Day, get ready for an amazing webinar titled Open Your Mind to a Career in Signs. We have curated a panel of speakers that hold different roles in their FASTSIGNS centers, from design to inside sales to outside sales to production to installation. Have you ever wondered how signs and graphics are made? Have you worked formerly in or have an interest in branding and marketing? What about making a visual impact in your local community every day? Then the sign and visual graphics industry might very well be for you. The sign and visual graphics industry is huge. It's not just external signs, it's interior signs, vehicle graphics, window and wall graphics, interior decor, trade show booths, decals, and more. It is huge, $61 billion in the US and growing at a 6% compound annual growth rate. I encourage you to consider the sign industry for your career. The sign industry truly changes people's lives. I've seen people start in production or inside sales and get promoted to outside sales professionals, or even one day become business owners as they develop their careers. I support you on your road to discovery, and I encourage you to learn more about the signage and visual graphics industry, whether it is with one of our over 660 FASTSIGNS locations in the US or any other signage business. We hope that what you hear in our webinar will spark your interest and encourage you to learn more about signage and visual graphics. Today, we have over 1,000 job openings at the FASTSIGNS locations in the US. Go to faststigns.com/about/careers to learn more. There's never been a better time for you to get started in the signage and visual graphics industry, so get ready to open your mind to a career in signs. Thank you.